Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to start a Printify pop-up store. The Printify pop-up store allows you to sell your products without creating a website. So here we will log into our Printify dashboard and we'll click Connect Now. From here, it will bring you to all of your sales channels that are easy setup. You can flip through the different sales channels here or click all to be able to view the list of all of the platforms that connect directly with Printify. Here we will be using the Printify pop-up. This will give us an easy setup. It's great for beginners. There's no subscription fee and it's free to use. So we will click Connect. Now we will enter our pop-up store details. So we will first select a store. If you only have one store, it will automatically connect that one. You'll be able to see your URL. You'll be able to put in your country and then hit next. Now we will choose a theme. So these are pre-designed themes that you can change inside of the store at any time. Choose one and then click Launch Pop-up Store. Now we have connected our store to our Printify pop-up store and we are launched for visitors to see our store. Now back in our Printify dashboard, we will see our orders, our cost to date, and our products that are published. From here, we will go to Non-Techie HQ, which is the name of my store, and manage stores. From here, I'll be able to see the link for my new store. Clicking the link, this is how it will look. Currently, there are no products. Back in our Printify dashboard, we can go to store settings and we'll also see our URL preview. We'll be able to customize our store. So if we click customize store, we'll now be able to add a logo in PNG, JPEG, or SVG. Make it a transparent background so that if you change the color of your store, it will not be hidden behind the theme color. Next is the theme. You can change it here for their pre-chosen themes. Next is social media. You can add all of your social media links to the footer of your new website. Now with our logo, our theme set, and our social media handles added, we'll click Publish Changes and go back to our dashboard. Back in your dashboard, you'll click Save and that will update your new Printify store. Now back in our store settings, we'll add our product to our new Printify pop-up store. So we will go to My Products and this will bring up the list of products that you've created. If you haven't created any products, you can go through the catalog or follow my last video for how to create your first product on Printify. So for here, we're going to select this and click Publish. This will sync and publish all the details, or you can do individual product details. For here, I'm going to take a good portion and say Continue. Now I've created my products and I will be able to use the same product and I could do the product and design. I now have the product that was brought in from my previous design. If I wanted to make any changes here, I can. All of this is still able to be edited before we publish. Once you have everything that you like, including your variants and your background colors, we'll click Save Product. Then in Save Product, we'll be brought to product editing. Here we have our mockups that we can add. You could choose the colors that you would like to showcase your product, which it would have them in all of the variations that you have chosen. Then we'll go down to listing details. Here we'll be able to add in our product listing title. So I have my title and then you'll have your description, which gives you some information in regards to the actual product. You can add a size table to the description for apparel and mugs, it will add it in for you, and you can edit this information, which you will want to do to ensure that it is connected to your actual product. You can also test out the generate with AI by clicking generate with AI and then putting in what your design is and click generate. You do get 10 daily credits for this, and in a few moments it generates a product title and a product description. So with it generated, you can click and unclick these boxes and click apply to listing. Always review the title and description that is generated with the AI. So here we'll see like it has mug, it has colorful, it has 11 ounce, 15 ounce, and then the quote and a quote design. So we will want to clean this up a little bit for actual products in our store. So now with the updated title, we'll go through and review the description to ensure that it flows fine. There's no errors. I use Grammarly to go through, and then we can add in that size table, which since we generated it previously, it was removed. And then we'll just add a title here. Next, after we have our product description, we'll scroll down and we'll hit pricing. From here, you can either select all and edit price, but they give you some guidelines for your pricing. So if the mug is $11.95, you'll receive $4.78 in profit, which gives you a profit margin of 40%. Then your production costs, your buying shipping costs, and your shipping options are all here. So if you were to change this percentage, you will also change the retail price and profit. So for each mug sold at $11.95, you will receive a profit of $4.07 after this product is sold. So next we'll have our publishing settings, which is product visibility. If we want to hide it in a store, we could click here. If not, we'll leave it clear. And then we have a sync product details, and this is what we want to show up in our Printify pop-up store. Once everything looks how we want it, we'll click publish, and that product will be added to our Printify pop-up store. So now going back into our Printify dashboard, we'll go to store settings and click visit store. This will show our products that are currently listed and published on our store. Here we see we have the product that we created. We have our mockups to the side. We have our costs, our size options 11-15. We have the colors. We chose the main color with our main product. We have our product description here. We have product details, care instructions, shipping and delivery, 30-day return policy, and a link to report this product. So that is how you launch your Printify pop-up store and publish your first product.